welcome to your favorite recipe. Today I'm doing something a little different. Yes, you're looking at it. I've got a whisk and I'm going to show you how to make delicious oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. And I mean, who can resist oatmeal in a chocolate cookie, right? It's healthy enough for breakfast and it's also a fantastic snack during the day. For me, I think I have it for breakfast. That's just an excuse. And I have it after lunch, just one. And then after dinner, I might have 2 or 3. So it's kind of like an all-day snack. It's so dangerous I'm baking it, but join me, will you? I forgot to introduce where I got the recipe from. She is a winner from MasterChef Season 3, Kristen Ha. It's amazing. I think she has like an extraordinary palate and despite her blindness. So yeah, and I was going through the book and I found her dessert recipe. All right, so the first thing, I think we have our oven preheated to 350. Crack an egg. Sugar, I have half a cup plus 3/4 cup packed sugar here. So put that in there, and another 1/4 cup of sugar is going to actually come from dark sugar. 1/4 cup of coconut sugar right here for just coloring, and a pinch of salt. Pinch is like 3 cracks for me. We got that, and then let's see. Of course, vanilla extract. So I used to be like, why does every single baking recipe always ask for vanilla extract? And it's because it is such an intense flavor. It's asking for a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And another wet ingredient that we've got is our salted butter. And it's asking for 1 stick. Baking soda, ½ teaspoon. So once we have that done, get a nice whisk, and it is time to whisk around. Okay, so we mashed the butter down. You don't want chunks of butter in there. We have our dry ingredients. So first thing, ½ cup of quick oats. It's brand new. It's like clothes. It's brand new food. Okay, so I've got a ½ cup in there of oats, and then another half and 2 teaspoons of all-purpose flour. Our last dry ingredient, pecans, 1/4 cup. Yes. Okay, we are done. Good. That gives me enough time to now plate our cookies. $15 minutes. Perfect. I have to act like you've been already filming.
Yep.
Oh my gosh, I didn't know you were recording this. Well, I'm like to my last bites of these cookies, so yes, this is a finished product. There were a lot more, and to be honest, we almost forgot to take a photo. We were like, oh my God, we only have 9, and I'm eating my 10th one here. It is super buttery and chocolatey, and It's funny, it doesn't even taste like the healthiest cookie out there, but what cookies are at the end of the day. But hey, it's got oatmeals in it and it's got pecans, so it's some nutrition there, okay? It turned out really good, crispy, and I definitely suggest that you make this. And when you make these, take a photo and let me know how it turned out and tag me in the photo. You can find me on Instagram at Yuna Cooks, my name, Cooks, because I'm always cooking. And hit that subscribe button. And right next to the subscribe button, you're gonna find this bell. Hit that, because I'm going to be uploading new weekly videos. So enjoy your cookies.